You've likely heard the news. Facebook is going to be deleting all of your live videos completely off the platform. Here's the official news release. Facebook says live videos currently older than 30 days will be removed from Facebook. And when this announcement was released, a lot of business owners were freaking out. Is all of your hard work creating those live videos going to be completely wiped out? And does it even make sense to use live video going forward to nurture your leads, to attract new leads and nurture those leads? Well, by the end of this video, you're going to have all your answers. You're going to see exactly what Facebook is doing to live video. You're going to learn what your options are to save your live videos, and you're going to be able to make an informed decision as to whether or not live video should be part of your marketing going forward. Let's dive in. Here's why Facebook's announcement that all old live videos are going to be removed from the platform is freaking out a lot of business owners. So I'm going to show you an example of a live video that I did in one of my Facebook groups. And you can see this live video happened a long time ago. When we go down here, over 1,100 comments. But check this out. Even 2 days ago, this live video is still getting engagement. Leads are still being nurtured. This is creating real value for my business. And I would hate to lose this video because it's creating sales for my business. And maybe you have live videos like this too. Those old live videos are still nurturing your leads and creating sales. You'd hate to lose them. Well, I've got some good news and some bad news for you. Let's start by looking at what exactly is happening with live video on Facebook. First, why? Why is Facebook making this change to live video? Well, the reality is live video, it started way back in 2016, and there's just way too much live video content that Facebook is hosting, yet nobody is watching anymore. I'm going to show you an example. This is from a previous business of mine. You can see this live video was posted over 4 years ago. And when we go down here, it did get some comments initially, but we look at the most recent comment. The most recent comment is from over 3 years ago. It doesn't make sense for Facebook to be paying for storage for live videos like this. And so Facebook is saying enough is enough. We're wiping out all of these old videos. Well, that's the why, but what exactly is Facebook doing? Here's what Facebook has told us. Beginning on February 19th, any new live broadcast videos can be replayed, downloaded, or shared from your Facebook pages or profiles for 30 days, after which they will automatically be removed from Facebook. Previously, these videos were stored indefinitely. As we just looked at, videos from years ago all the way back to 2016 were previously stored. And going forward, any new live videos you do will have a 30-day window where they will be kept on Facebook, and then after 30 days, those new videos will also be removed. That's what's happening. Who will this impact? Well, it will impact you if you do any live video on Facebook. This new policy includes any live video from Facebook business pages, from Facebook profiles, and from Facebook profiles that are streaming into groups. So it doesn't matter where your live videos are being created or what sort of profile or account you're using to create those videos. If you do live streaming on Facebook, these new rules will apply to you. But when is this actually going to impact you? We know it will impact you at some point, but when is it going to happen? Well, as I mentioned earlier, Facebook started this process on February 19th, but here's what it told us about the rollout. It says the deletion process will take place in waves over the coming months. So just because Facebook announced that this process began on February 19th, it doesn't mean that this is going to impact you right away. In fact, we know from watching Facebook roll out previous tools, as an example, professional mode was announced 2 years ago, and still to this day, some accounts don't yet have access to professional mode. So is Facebook going to wipe out everyone's live videos right away? No, it's going to begin rolling out the process, most likely with users who have accumulated a lot of live video over the years, which is taking up a lot of storage space on Facebook. So that explains the when this is going to happen. Final question we need to ask is, well, where do you go to do something about this? Where do you go to save those videos that are actually providing value for your business, like the one that I showed you earlier? Well, here's what you can do. Go over to your Facebook profile, and what you want to do is go down here and click on these 3 dots. And then from the 3 dots here, you want to go to activity log. Click on activity log. And when you come over to the activity log, likely the very first option here is going to be your live videos. Click on that. And then Facebook is going to go and load up all of your live videos. And from this new dashboard that we'll see here in a second, this is where you can actually download the videos that you want to keep. So as an example, I did a live video here. It's called 3 new Facebook funnels. If I wanted to view it, I could, or click on the 3 dots, and you'll notice there's an opportunity here to download it. When you click on that download button, Facebook's going to begin the download process. You can see it up here in my browser. And then you're going to have a copy that's saved on your computer. We'll talk about what to do with that in just a minute. Facebook's also told us that it's going to be releasing a bulk download tool that will let you go through a process, something like I just showed you here, but to do it en masse, to download a whole bunch of videos all at once, which that will be very helpful. So that's what's happening with Facebook live videos. Now the question is, well, what should you do about this? Do you need to go and start downloading all your videos using the process that I just showed you? Well, Well, Facebook did tell us that we still have some time. There's no rush to do this. Notice Facebook says before your archival live videos are deleted, you will be notified by email and in the app. So in the Facebook app, you'll actually get a notification. And from then, you'll have 90 days to download or transfer your content. So that's good news. I want to reassure you, it's not as if you're going to wake up one day and all your live videos are going to be deleted. Facebook is going to reach out to you via email, also inside of Facebook, and then you'll have a 90-day window to go through the steps that I just showed you, or to use the bulk downloading tool that Facebook will provide. Now, Facebook does specifically say, you can see right here, 90 days, but I actually know that it's going to be longer than that. The minimum amount of time you'll have is 90 days, and I'll show you how I know that. Coming over here into my email account, you can see that I received this email from Facebook on March 1st, and it's telling me that I should download my videos because they will begin to be deleted. But notice it says I have until June 29th. That's actually almost 120 days, far longer than the 90 days that was promised. So don't freak out. You're going to have a big window where you're going to be able to download those videos. And then once you get that notification from Facebook in your email account and also over in your Facebook account, go and download your important videos. For me, I'm going to be downloading any videos that my audience still consumes. I'm going to be looking at the live videos where I'm still getting engagement, where nurturing is still happening, any videos that are driving sales for my business, videos that nobody watches, videos that aren't giving value to my business, videos that aren't creating revenue. I don't care about those, and probably you shouldn't either. But do make sure you pick the ones that are creating value and download those videos. Because once you have a copy of those videos on your computer, here's what you can do. I'm over here inside one of my Facebook groups, and let's take that video that I downloaded just a minute ago, and we're gonna re-upload it as an actual post. So I'm gonna click right here, photo or video, and then I'm gonna click on add photos or videos, and I'm gonna go to my downloads folder, and you can see here's the video that I just downloaded directly from Facebook from my activity log a second ago. And there is the video, and then I can simply put in a description. I could even copy and paste the description from the live version of this video, and then I can go ahead and post that back into my Facebook group. It's gonna be the exact same video, except for instead of being a live video, now it looks like a pre-recorded video, which Facebook isn't gonna be deleting. So this is what you can do with your important videos. Simply re-upload them as regular posts, and then they're gonna be safe long-term. And then once you've done that, you may wanna consider whether or not you're gonna use live videos going forward. I know a lot of people have said, well, if Facebook's gonna delete all my live videos, I'm not doing live videos anymore. And maybe that is the best choice for you. However, when I look at the metrics behind Facebook live videos, I know I'm gonna keep using live videos. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm over in my professional dashboard, and you can see I'm clicked here on your profile, and then you're gonna see a profile overview. And this is the very interesting thing that shows the power of live video. Take a look at this. In addition to posting live videos, I've also posted a lot of reels, short form content. And take a look at this. See right here, it says 1 minute views. These are instances of people viewing my videos for about a minute. And most of these views are likely reels, my short form content. When we go over here, you can see I've got 819 1-minute views. So if people are viewing for a minute, and this happened 819 times, that's 819 minutes of videos being viewed. Okay, not a lot, right? 819 minutes isn't a lot of video views, but check this out. Directly beneath 1 minute views, you'll see something called watch time. And this shows the total amount of time people have spent watching your videos, all of your videos. And when we take a look at the number of total watch time, you can see in my account, this is for the last 28 days, people have spent over 9 days watching my videos. That's a lot of watch time. Where's that watch time coming from? Well, it's coming from live videos. And this makes sense, right? When you create reels or short form content, that's great for perhaps attracting new leads. For a quick little soundbite from you, they watch a little tiny bit. But when you want to go deep with your leads, live video can't be beaten. It's really sticky content. It keeps people around. And that's why people have spent over 9 days watching my live videos, whereas only 819 minutes of short form videos have been watched. So you can see the potential power of live video, and that's the reason I'm going to continue using live video, even going forward, knowing that those live videos will be deleted after 30 days. I'll continue to download the highest performing ones, re-uploading them as regular video posts, so that those ones can stick around. And then the less popular ones, those can be deleted. No big deal. They weren't providing value for my business anyway. So that is the process I'm gonna be following using live video on Facebook. But I also have a secret weapon that will allow you to get the most value from every live video that you stream. That secret weapon is called Unipro. Unipro is an amazing tool that goes out onto Facebook. It finds your ideal leads. It brings those leads over into your audience. It nurtures those leads, making sure that they see your content, including your live videos. And then at the right time, when those leads are most likely to make a purchase purchase from you, Unipro can help you reach out and close the sale over in Messenger. Unipro has been a game changer for my business, and I know it will be for you as well. Definitely check it out over at unipro.com. That's what I've got for you in this video, all about Facebook's new live video storage policies. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, give it a like. And if you have any questions about your live videos, leave those in the comment section below. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you're building an online business and you're using Facebook to do it, you got to check out Unipro. Go over to unipro.com. It's really going to help you build your business a whole lot faster. Thanks for checking out this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.